Hey, I'm Chef Rich.
See here we have our frozen drink dispenser. It comes in a 3-gallon bowl and a 1.5-gallon bowl. This is the 3-gallon bowl. And you can see we have a 3-bowl unit. We also have a single and double unit in the 3-gallon size. In the 1.5 gallon, we have a single and double bowl size. Now, some of the big differences in this product versus some of the others that are out there is really in the bowl. We have a seamless design where the bottom of the bowl doesn't have any of the gaskets or any way for the product to get into the base. It's totally sealed. The only seal in this unit is at the top of the auger, so it keeps the syrup from running into the unit. That's a big deal. If that happens, it's a big mess of the product getting inside the unit, so we eliminate that. The other major difference here is how we mix the slush and how we freeze the slush. We mix it with an auger that's horizontal, and we have one in the back that's vertical. And what that's doing is then constantly mixing the slush. The way we freeze it is along the bottom of the unit. It's a freezing plate, and that bottom auger draws the product across the freezing plate, so when it exits the machine, it really is as cold as it can be. And that's really super important when we start talking about adding things to it like alcohol when you have it in a bar setting, because you maintain the integrity of the slush that way, and it always is as cold as possible. Now, we talked a little bit about where we would put this in, say, a bar with alcohol. There's also pool bar settings, there's nightclubs, and the drinks that you can put in here have to be a certain % sugar. There's usually a chart on the ingredient that'll tell you how to mix it according to the directions, but we can also do something where it's just simply a simple syrup where it's a sugar mixture. And again, in a bar setting, then you can add things to that and really have a lot of flexibility. Another area that we can talk about here with some product features is the controls. Now, I mentioned it's a frozen drink dispenser, and what you see here is a slush. It doesn't have to be frozen. It can simply be a cold drink dispenser. So on the controls, you can choose cold drink dispenser, which we have out there. You can see now it just says cold. It's going into a defrost mode. We have this machine set that at a certain time it goes into a chill mode where we're going to actually now melt the slush and keep it cold. And then at a pre-programmed time, it's going to turn back on again and make slush. That's a nice feature to have, so at night when you don't need it to be a slush, it can just simply hold in the cold beverage mode. Another feature then on this unit is the low mix indicator. When the mix is running low, the unit senses that the mix is low, and the light will flash for 20 seconds every 20 minutes, just to let you know then that the mix is low and you need to add more mix. Clear Bowl series, both frozen drinks and cold drinks. The 3-gallon size, as you see here, in 1, 2, and 3-bowl design. We also have the 1.5 bowl, or 1.5 gallon in the single and double bowl. And again, that major difference of the way we mix the slush and the way we freeze the slush to get the coldest slush coming out of the unit possible. So there you have it. For more information, see us online at vollrath.com.